These are the three latest models which was launched this year. These are 2025 models, all these three models.
Yes, very durable.
Very durable mechanism. This is called the planetary gears motion mechanism. They have given you a spoiler like this. There will be strands of silver. You can see this white.
Comes with an amazing bag. So this guys is the LS2 Dragon. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog Yashwant17. I'm back with an exciting video. Today I'm going to show you the latest carbon fiber helmets from LS2 brand. This is the latest from 2025. You might have not seen it before on my channel, and we are going to do a quick unboxing and review of these helmets, these two in particular. Also we have another new model from LS2. So we have three carbon fiber helmets which we are going to show you today. So with no further ado, let's get to the vlog. Watch the full video guys. So we are going to do unboxing of 2025 carbon fiber helmets, new models from LS2. So this is the LS2 Vector 2 Carbon. Comes with an amazing bag with all the zippers and pouches. Inside there is one sling bag. So this guys is the LS2 Dragon. Very excited. So this comes with an additional smoke visor, the premium sling bag for your helmet protection. Bag.
This is the pin lock 120. This is the highest level of pin lock which is available in the market now.
Got it. Comes with a smoke visor. Hi Yashwant, very excited to see 2025's latest carbon fiber helmets.
Yes bro, I'm also very excited and I will take you through the latest helmets, latest 2025 carbon fiber helmets from LS2. These are the three latest models which was launched this year. These are 2025 models, all these three models. This model is called the Vector 2 Carbon.
Got it.
This is a 100% carbon fiber shell helmet. This is also a 6K carbon helmet. Okay, the carbon fiber is made up of a 6K carbon. Okay, there will be this is a single carbon capsule. There will be 6 strands of carbon in it. Okay, and one more specialty of this helmet is this comes in 6 shell sizes. The all helmets will share 2 sizes for a shell. This one will have 6 shells. 6 shells means all sizes different shell. What is the advantage of that is it will give you an optimum fit. The fitting of the helmet will be perfect, and also the helmet weight of the helmet will be very light. This one has a visor lock. You have to press this and remove the visor, and it also got an
Double visor.
And the visor mechanism is this is very great visor mechanism. This is called an planetary gears motion mechanism.
Yes.
The mechanism you can see.
Yes.
Whatsoever, unless and until you drop the helmet or you meet with an accident, the mechanism will not get spoiled.
Yes. Very durable.
Very durable mechanism. This is called the planetary gears motion mechanism. And removing the visor and fixing the visor is also very easy. And it has got an emergency to pull cheek pads.
Yes.
and the padding is called morph anatomic padding. This is an ecstatic silver fabric. There will be strands of silver. You can see this white, silver, this thing, no?
Yes.
These are all silver.
So since silver is antimicrobial.
Antimicrobial, they use silver in this. And it's fully removable, washable padding. This is called morph anatomic padding. What basically is the morph anatomic padding is, it will take the shape of a head once you wear the helmet. And once
it remembers you.
It remembers your head size.
Head size.
Yes. It will not remember you. It will remember the shape or size of the head.
Yes.
This is that is the specialty of the morph anatomic padding. Use it for like 3 years, 4 years. The shape of the padding will be same. It will not get spoiled. And there is one vent here, 2 vents here.
Yes. Okay. Multiple vents at the front.
One up and one down. There are 2 vents here. And there is one exhaust vent.
Got it.
And this is also EC 22.06 certified, and it weighs at 1400 grams. Because of its L size is 1400 grams. If you go for an M size or an S size, it will weigh at 1250 grams.
Got it.
Okay, this is called Vector 2 Carbon.
Yes. So, and the price of this helmet?
The price of this helmet is 36,000.
36,000.
You get an extra smoke visor with the helmet and then Pinlock 120 insert. Pinlock 120 is the highest level of Pinlock which is currently available now. That one will come inside the box.
So going to our next helmet.
Going to our next helmet, this is the most sought out helmet.
Right now, carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, most sought out carbon fiber. Before it was Thunder Plus.
Yes.
Now they have made some changes to the spoiler and they made it Undersea GP Hero. The model is called Undersea GP Hero.
Yes.
And the spoiler will be very long and it will be more aerodynamic.
Got it. For all those sport bikes.
For sport bikes, mainly for super bikes.
Yes.
And this one also has a visor lock.
Yes. And
the field of vision will be very broad in this. Because this is a sport helmet, the field of vision will be very broad in this, and this also has gotten Pinlock 120 with in the box, and it also has gotten extra smoke visor. And this is VEGA certified visor. What basically is the visor will be optically corrected.
So there will be no distortion.
No distortion in the vision. Yeah.
Yes.
Only if the visor is optically corrected, then the certification will pass. It's mentioned here, exceeds VEGA 8.
Yes, got it. So there will be no distortions in the view from inside the helmet.
Yes, and this the padding is also very premium in this. This also has got an emergency to pull cheek pads.
Yes.
And it has gotten speaker pockets in this.
Yes.
And it's double deering Ashton helmet. And the weight of this helmet is 1250 grams.
Quite light.
Quite light, very light.
Yes.
1250 grams.
Yes. Quite light for this design, this shape.
And this is also in 6K carbon shell.
Got it.
You can see here, this is also 6K carbon shell. And here comes the latest from LS2. This is called LS2 Dragon.
Got it.
This is the latest model from LS2. They have given you a spoiler like this. Okay, and this is also an EC 22.06 certified helmet. The weight of this helmet is a little bit on the higher side because of this. An XL shell is 1500 grams. If you go for an M shell or an L shell, it will be 1350 to 1400 grams. The one more main feature in this has got a dual visor.
Got it.
This is mainly for people who are into touring. Yes. Carbon fiber, lightweight helmet. Only for touring, they use this dual visor.
Yes.
For race purpose, it's not allowed.
Yes. Day, night, whatever the situation. Yes.
This one has got a visor lock in this. Yes. You have to press this and remove it. And one vent here, and this is an exhaust vent. Yes. And the padding of the helmet will be very premium. And the chin curtain also can be removed. There's a magnetic attachment here. Just remove this and you can remove the chin curtain also. This one also has an ecstatic silver fabric, and its speaker pockets the helmet has speaker pockets also. This is also deering Ashton helmet. In this also you get an extra smoke visor and the Pinlock 120.
So, and the price of this helmet?
The price of this helmet is 41,000.
Got it.
This is a Dragon, latest from LS2.
So it's always amazing to see the latest in motorcycle safety gear, and these three helmets are really spectacular, and thanks to Yashwant for allowing this vlog to happen. So guys, it was exciting to see the latest three models from LS2 in carbon fiber. Always ahead, that's what LS2 tagline is, and they're always ahead with the best materials used in the padding, including silver used in the padding for antimicrobial properties. They have the best materials, and they are present in over 214 countries, making it one of the best helmets money can buy. And rider comes first, safety always first. Don't forget to wear your helmet. So this was it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, in another vlog, later, see you. Ciao.